Starting your Model 3 is keyless and simple. If the car is parked and off, just press the brake pedal. This activates the 12-volt battery and powers up the touchscreen, getting the car ready to drive. No key is needed if your phone is connected or a key card is present. The car automatically enters ready to drive mode when you press the brake. The screen power off feature dims the touchscreen to save power. To use it, tap the power icon, which is a lightning bolt in a circle, on the touchscreen. Then select Power Off from the menu. The screen goes to sleep, but essential systems like climate control may stay active. It's not a full shutdown, but an energy-saving mode. Screen Power Off keeps the car in a low-power state, drawing minimal battery power, typically less than 5 watts. This mode is ideal for short stops or charging sessions, allowing quick reactivation by tapping the screen or pressing the brake pedal. Overall, it provides a seamless driving experience with minimal energy consumption. A full shutdown completely powers down your Model 3, turning off all displays and auxiliary systems. This is recommended for long-term storage or end-of-day use to preserve battery health. There are 2 ways to perform a full shutdown. Method 1 is using the power button on the steering yoke. Simply press and hold the power button on the steering yoke for 5 to 10 seconds. Method 2 is through the touchscreen power menu. Tap the power icon on the touchscreen, which looks like a lightning bolt in a circle, then select Shutdown from the menu. Important notes. Full shutdown disables high-voltage systems, so restarting requires your keycard or phone app. Also, for safety reasons, shutdown is blocked if the vehicle is in motion. It only works in park or ready-to-drive mode. Full shutdown is recommended for long-term storage, such as when parking your Model 3 for extended periods like weeks or months. This helps preserve battery health by fully powering down all systems. Use full shutdown at the end of each day to maximize battery longevity. It ensures the vehicle is completely off, preventing any unnecessary power drain. During full shutdown, all high-voltage systems are disabled, including the main battery and electric motors, for maximum energy conservation. To restart after full shutdown, you'll need your keycard or Tesla phone app for authentication and power-up. For safety reasons, a full shutdown is blocked while the car is in motion. The vehicle must be in park mode before you can initiate a complete power down. Full shutdowns are crucial for maintaining your Tesla Model 3's battery health. According to experts at Recurrent in their 2025 report, performing full shutdowns every 48 hours can extend battery life by 5 to 10% compared to never shutting down. This data comes from analyzing over 10,000 Tesla owners, showing clear benefits for battery longevity. This highlights the importance of proper power management for your vehicle's long-term performance. Tesla constantly refines power management through software updates. The full self-driving supervised V12.5.1, released in late 2025, introduced energy-saving modes that auto-dim the screen after inactivity. Always keep your software updated for the latest features and improvements. Future trends in Tesla power management point toward increasing reliance on artificial intelligence for more intuitive controls. AI systems could enable voice-activated power commands, allowing you to simply say "turn off" to initiate shutdown procedures. App-based shutdowns are also on the horizon, giving you remote control over power states through the Tesla mobile app. This would allow convenient management from anywhere, integrating seamlessly with existing remote features. Energy efficiency remains a key focus for Tesla, with ongoing software optimizations to minimize idle power consumption. These improvements help preserve battery life and extend vehicle range even during standby periods. Future battery technologies, such as solid-state batteries, could dramatically reduce the need for full shutdowns by enabling much longer standby times without significant power drain. This would make Tesla vehicles even more convenient for daily use. Stay tuned for more updates as Tesla continues to innovate in power management technology.